Hey guys, we're doing the team draw for the 5 box break, random team part 1. There it is there, 6/14/46 p.m. Melbourne time. Random is live. Participants. We're going 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Oops. Don't need that one anymore. Teams. Go 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. No. Random is complete. The teams are Timothy Price, Hornets; Palmisano, Suns; Zach O'Toole, Pelicans, Kings; Harry with the Sixers; Zach Nets; Kenny with the Raptors; Scott Rhodes, Clippers; Jerome with the Wizards; Luca with the Warriors; Luke with the Thunder; Guy Bell, Wolves; Scott Rhodes, Lakers; Benjamin Mavericks; Blair with the Nuggets; Tommy, Knicks; Jeff, Heat; Coulson, Bucks; Dwayne, Hawks; Jason Dunn, Magic; Zach O'Toole, Rockets; Kenny with the Celtics; Nick Fawcett, Grizz; Dwayne with Pacers; Dobell, Spurs; Duncan with Jason Duncan with the Cavs; Ryan Papp with the Pistons; Harry with the Jazz; Kenny with the Blazers; and lucky last spot, Bulls; Jason Aero. That's that.